Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cache internal error fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon, and on the search bar type in Solitaire cache. Now once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply tapping on the update button will fix your issue. So if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is head over back and then tap on the settings, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside your iPhone storage, here scroll down until you find the Solitaire cache app and then tap on it. And on tapping, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once process is done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.